And for today's project, I have this overhang in the back of my house here that is bare wood over this porch and everything. All this shit needs to get painted so that I can feel a lot better. Even a couple of door jambs that need to get painted. They both pretty much look like this one here, you know, just a little worn out and need to be updated. So let's mix up some primer, baby. Here we go. You didn't think that you were getting out of this without me humping something, did you? I mean, come on, really? Really? All right, let's get down to painting. I'm sure my neighbors appreciate that. I don't really give a shit. But here we go. It already looks better. This is just, you know, a little bit of primer here. Oh, my favorite thing to fucking do, trim work. Yeah, getting in those corners because the fucking roller can't really get there. So, you know, that takes a little bit of time. God, covering up bare wood is a pain in the ass. I don't know if you've ever tried to paint over bare wood, especially bare wood that's been weathered for a little while, but it bleeds through pretty fucking easily. This is very satisfying, though. I'll tell you that much. Getting all the paint on here, oh my God, this is like the most satisfying video I think I've ever made. I just love to watch the work that took me 2 days be done in 2 minutes. Getting the primer done, now we got to do over this little porch overhang. Working around those beams was a pain in the ass, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. I like them and I'm not gonna paint them, so. All right, here we go, on to the ultra white paint, mixing that shit up. Time to paint, baby. Yeah, humping some more stuff, woo, baby. Hope the neighbors are watching. And you can really tell that the difference here in the white between the primer and the ultra white paint that I use. I mean, it's just unbelievably white. You thought it was white before, and now look at it. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of like an old school, Schoolhouse Rock. What was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh God, painting is a blast, I tell you. Up here on the ladder, getting the trim work. Yeah, that was some more bare wood. Fucking love ladders, my favorite place to be. Yeah, buddy. But you know, we're gonna get it done, no matter what. Takes a little bit of time. This took me 2 days, my days off to cover up all that bare wood and to make it look nice. And I'm still gonna have to touch it up, but you know what? This is looking so much fucking better. I am so happy with the outcome on this shit. You know, like, look at this. I mean, it's ultra white again. Well, it never was ultra white. So it's ultra white. And I look out the window now and I feel so much better coming out this door and just looking up. It was well worth it, guys. Well worth the work.